episode for GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Ahade latest and hot news. Nkwa enamede bramo. Enuti so nyan subscribe to channel dia bomodi ase obe subscribe. The obe an say obe click the subscribe button. Na wa bele notification. We understand new video be upload no. When the first person won sa ebe kan sa video. Afi we na wa like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Nafi shema oforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memua afi yenhwe ensemo abeto yepno so yiti sa report ya ababetudwa yiti sansemi
Akufo Addo tiemie why was so mampam we too for Kwaku Addo nti ekromu hanu mo yeti na Akufo Addo ye probi o ye bonsama Akufo Addo you are evil. You are evil president of this nation. What the Ghana kwa we hear too much. Akufo Addo. Dang. Obi anawo Ghana for what trust ewo mu. And if he say obeya the papa ma Ghana after into my befra. Ya waya say body ya. And the papa be a new uye empty barrel. Akufo Addo. Uye empty stomach, nothing that you have. Ghana for na hunade and asebi ye rawa makai almost mu de do na ye Ghana for onim baby asa kwase tumi no Akufo Addo ni MPP fo konya ya to aba etu ye wura Mahama free so entina ke free sa ka odo baby papa de amaye tama na mi di Kojo Kyeremanteng kuma kwase pani ye chia na me ye campaign ma wo Akufo Addo asema Kojo Kyeremanteng ka chem say Akufo Addo ni favorite and asema we se meka Kojo Kyeremanteng kuma ofuasi MP or see Akufo Addo onye ni favorite oya homaso na me kache Kojo Kyeremanteng say papa janse unika na Akufo Addo daba kuma so me de bia meka say me ya Asante na chese sebe impeduasa every before mo jimia na me hwemo I will tell you people even na me NDC ni say you Mahama ni NDC for ye de me bia nya I will say it as it is. Akufo Addo wo bonsam uye evil because me hu adwene any sebe nyansa ewo utrima utumi trase ekuki beye honhom ema ene aba yakoto amu olusu poto ba omiolusu poto no amani mgrasia sebe chenchenchire abo MPP sebe akokone Johnson no wa say nya hoden because ufi say mumfa 2 minutes share yewra Mahama semti no uni je mensa mami e wobu achacha awo nama na ne fipade ba ko ebu efi se me ba Ghana ana me tra Ghana mi hu se bi producer yisi boss bi edisa nsamfu weda ebi si da runs the time ebi ansi kofo time atame stop ebi ansi se ya to abawie ni atumi ahuku aka bibia wo police station ho I declare ama yisi officials and declare win ama NDC for na Akufo Addo ni evil things ni beye a ono de sabi peduasa also mu gahwe egu ntino otumi ni yisi maami je mensa befo umai ekabum esaka se yes akoya recounting na de we se nya Akufo Addo etama ani fa de bisi Akufo Addo amani mguasia koga akagana hwe eniema ebubo ba no eniema MPP for ni yewu Akufo Addo ni MPP for agimi for na ye no wan hwe du baby nese NDC for ye bia hwe na kwasi ampani bia mebo wa o because eyade a ebeba so say na de mu fi se ma ba na wo so aka na wo twemienu asamiensa na Akufo Addo kofi enti odi bone akusita mewu aba fana ko Akufo Addo uye evil me se mi so Akufo Addo Akufo Addo mi so di kapre bada because bia na me koye campaign man no e ma ni be president intende so we gibile so di semfu ase bi producer o man de share nsa no one man o man tete apansema me I will stand and tell him my mind moya musi bi edi atem and dey Akufo Addo ye and that be dey deserve Akufo Addo deserve at be dey more than this because it doesn't have manners. Se o man pedi pa uni munyansa na odro magana ho na un pese sebi peduasa na emo wasa de yire o 24 ya to abawie ama ya baba na bi busa Akufo Addo nyansam no se ye wo na okoye MP ana wase usika ana ya to abama wo ana ya ka kire wo se papa abana de ma wo no ye sako kan bi Akufo Addo se de wu tie adwuboda hye otimai aka bete ase na Kwaku Addo mi busa wo. Let's call the space to space because papa no oye evil oye bronsam ade Akufo to betumi aya say obema nipa be kume. But if I die in Akufo Addo hands. Say me wu Akufo Addo ne sano because odo to be am at any time. But me, I'm not scared dead. Akufo Addo, the we now ya brand here now do say si obo. E to be more ye demonstrate change wo kromia. E ka che ye run say ye run say nipa or nipa bonefo onu moja ekukum nipa no. Akufo Addo, ye made the same thing here because all the uche India mia and India mi chewa no chewa say no we nipa nam udia osoko glad Kwaku Addo udi onu moja no wonder osu be papa ka chere Ghana for say see the so bo bi ya fa Akufo Addo because oni ni menu record na kranda revo su be pa o si anse na Akufo Addo e be di o man pani no oni ni ye ni ma bi kunkum nipa hye fo moja hwegu bi baaye even at all former MP are no wo eye takrade honorable Sisira Gradasma and honorable Asma honorable Gradasma papa ika obi na ni wo e baaye enti enyam na mikayo eyo wusu bempa and I don't want some because only ni menu na e dey ekum dipa no Akufo Addo say Ghana for na be show wa me I'm not scared about you because we are bronsam and it na be chire mo kase say papa we ni pa bonefo a eye den na ke tumi koto aba ade esi wo Cʊrses center ho no e betumi ama o Ghana abo Akufo Addo say ti woni hu ade a waso nte asem say ye wura Mahama bebu o mai a de time so ya olusu ye no wan kasa wa mowa mo di ye wura Mahama tam ano ye pepeni ano ye otani no Ghana for say e no na ye pe ene na wu se MPP fo bi de nam e kan se hu kan kosesem akosi akwa na o ya djuma wo PCF madam despot tuya neka kwasi empani sa na o so MP wo da no e be gina ka se NDC fo de aduro e na ye MPP fo na wa akosi akwa wajimi ana woni munyansa a whole MP a wo ye MPP pa this year na wo busa nkrofo na wo so busa obi se okoto aba so won to aba no ade na wa duna munyansa se MPP fo musuko amuko ina na sabi ajibu twan and to be people mu jimi because muni munyansa se wo betre o man so ama o man de hye wo sa no want to be a mu akonta papa amati mamufo no ntebe den na Ghana fo akoto aba ma wajimi kwase akwa enitire de bi ameka se MPP fo be degree so be doctor so be ye can say kita all the executive post no jimi no ntino de bia no o mewe entiene Akufo Addo atrase na be no wonder do mama eniema MPP for the share wo de ya de 2016 ABC 2020 amenne Ghana for to abama no yewura mama enje wadwe se wo be ye wo so yosofu eniema wo de ye wo no fa bidiom anye sa ya ntwema wo da ana yewura mama enye wo no ye ni wa busua insia pe de to abama wo enye Ghana for the to abama wo Ghana for say we need you bagiye eyi free sebe nkwaso mu enti no eniema ene asi wo tesa no ho eye Cʊrses center ho no amene aposifo bi omu ye MPP asuyafo bi omu ye MPP omu ne gogu ho no am ye chinchim NDC fo sa adi to be that sama NDC MPP no Iro Mahama don't try because what hweye na be what say amamu na obebu no odi be ye adamfo ana say sebe ye na di papa akwa papa ebu over because Ghana for the debufuo eni ekom eni ni bro yo tufo kan no ebi ni ya kire MPP fo no enti eniema NDC fo afamu no 2020 no me get sure say you Mahama ebi just agosiafo yi amoma ko scot free because wa time no Victoria Ama owie sika na so yi nadi opamoni fi wa ba mu na to se ngosiafo yo ma wie sika edi bone ene to be there for so yi no o fi so na so ye e wa ba mu ito mu di se hu je mesa ayi ni mu se sebe okodi anim ene Akufo Addo evil president moja hwegu nie kamufu Akufo Addo a ugimi a obema nipa ku onu ni mienu akoye baako amene enim guase ye de to gana se ya to abawie ye declare yesi yesa for to be no esa for ma MPP for MPs na wa akabati ase bibufu afu no yeti kobua ada chief justice ka say wa oni ma bekoto aba na be lusu no because ye renew police stations enti wa be lusu no hwede wa fa akrata ja fa ba eye court no de bo to agu it's identity the CCM dem ka say edisi fo ye hwe ha ama MPP for edisi fo ama ne je mesa ene Akufo Addo dipa body fo mienu o maka omtira bom bone nko de ekoso o mayi mu ene hwe ne asi aposi fo soja fo bebre edi so de Akufo Addo ye aposi fo soja fo bebre elfo de Akufo Addo je mesa ye no so na me say ko ye mo edi trader o hwe Akufo Addo unya ko to da e wo ko mu ba di ka ka che so wo de wo no aje den ya wo ubewu abasabe emu na ebe dey ebedi wunam na opa me say ma suja for na post for na MP before emekube if I die because of Akufo Addo. I will say the truth and I'm not scared of anybody. What's your sama kwa
you see appointments are yeah political and run make catch will be say there are a lot of people who President Mahama and our winning power and political party the nipa na ye. There are several ways you can reimburse people who made such contributions. But when it comes to sensitive appointments and yet compensatory initiative, where he says, Captain Brian, there be not TV, so come on, no, it's not compensatory. It should be based on merit. Individuals or ultimately demonstrating certain weight, intellectual dexterity, that kind of knowledge, expertise are here to face and solve problems. So yet we go on that particular line. An individual, he has certain contract with you because it is about performance. That is why the K will be me above no. Nipano, you can judge him based on. But if we begin to reward individuals based on their loyalties to us, I know the day, you know. But that is why it turns out to be a family cabal. I will be the open security video. You see, it's just a symptom of impunity at choking the system. Because like President Akufo Addo all but people saw him as a no-nonsense man. Now, Oshasi set that power. Chiraman for say, many pana your men am foul. Say the year mama. But Udin Semuna, I will deal with you. It's the reason why I was telling Obi say President Mahama person survivor. Nipa no be mo appointment nyina on sound nyina lie. Ask them the year kramoni on fa na mala memra. The year Christo ni on fa na sofo mra. Then you tell them say because say some no call bone ya when na be ba pacha wo hena fa na ka ho na tell them say me sha wanimunyam amount to me say go and serve the people of this country. If you mess up sa him for this house of we odi o mabai, you have no business coming here to apologize to me. Well yeah, you should know say what time son you resign and I say you be sacked and you face prosecution. It's simple as that. By a reward system for people who made contributions based on whatever. At the end of the day, you know, you will end up failing those easy minds, our sensitive position, and this is what we get. Then to the police, and we are not kase we woman. My kase captain, obi already 25 years only me answer. If you think you can use 6 months, now what 10 to become a wise person, now we need to ask and say, wow, yes, and where Jimmy chance any pan.
Simple.
If you think you
be already 25 only answer,
and you think you can use 6 months to undo unscript stupidity after that person and give him a gun, you yourself you're a fool. That is the problem we have with our security agencies. Sure. May I have suggested say yes, other countries who call US continue training is different, but you see you need to look at your terrain. Now what the international IO program. May I have suggested the police, you know, the police training college. So every single person will come out as a police, you know, I'll go through training college, either diploma or degree for 3 good years. Ebasana will be able to structure and know the number of people coming to the police anytime. The professional acted, the standard, everything. You take them through IT as well because police in soldier and you sa much be more and the agene and IT as a forum. There are a lot of some of the people are minimal and you there are some of the police person even tell WhatsApp crowd with him how to do it. How do you fight crime? How do you provide security? You understand? So you see, we need to set a stage, a platform Yam build this police training academy. And you far now or go for 3 years just like a teacher trainee. And I say nursing trainee.
Yes,
so,
6 months. 6 months.
And yes, 6 months because you can use 6 months to train the fool to become way. My catcher say, so what are many pa only nyansa with a gunner? You endanger yourself and you endanger that particular person. Because when you nyansa kakra bi obaki to now no me say police ni bi oye Uber. Or pon adwuma na oye Uber. And I wafa your friends a passenger no ne call. I'm say they miss the road. E Kumase. And I'm kwa na sika na bia ba ka ho.
Yeah, sure.
Ena o say ontua na passenger no so ontua. Tia mi ntua na akwana bie ne we no wa yituo. Tentre yi. Or police ni o. So psyche evaluation bang. I think that there are a lot because I'm parrying as much as I'm born about. So I've been one person I'm criticizing a lot because I think that there are a lot of professional way I go wrong in his time. Investigation as far as but I think that standard, we need to uplift it because the very people I respect so much. Police for this people don't know the risk these people take. What their life on the line. For instance, what the police in the Kotana Bank say home buyer. Say for about on first target. But I'm say training no go through the Mako several banks I'll be doing a police in or not or scanning or the phones who your coaches and then you could the baby no be come but security and intelligence, you are supposed to be scanning around every time to pick some quick intelligence but you can't blame them because a 6 months training where we enlist party hooligans, hoodlums, need those kind of people because you're compensating more, now the 2 year more. And it's the reason why we are here. So I think that mechanics take off, the take off must include all these things. You better mean their structure system. Now, who say yes, your police, you can trust them, you can trust other state institutions as for. Now, our council of state, the council of come, and then peace council, you couldn't put a shima, it's Miss Ovoya. I just election young Kubia.
Okay, against
now no Saturday, Captain Willis and Comubo too. Me ambassador, your friend saying Smith, and then you have a chapel for some people. Now you war a Boakye Agyarko. Your friend say, you monitor elections. A man for Bahodi, your friends a two. They shot 2 people in my presence. It's car yet team they were shooting over the car.
They shot 2 people in your presence.
They shot 2 people back on the and back on the 9 hour Boakye Agyarko. I was there and you said maybe drew a crowd 1 a.m. And they do I say they shot people, but they wanted to snatch the ballot boxes, not or more and stuff. But Sanyama way happened because Kumase Nitachima they see and nobody investigated. Peace council are not calling for peace. And Mahama and other people should come out. My culture say any peace that is negotiated on the premise of injustice, that is war in postponement. And talk about what that you need to make sure say you set a stage. Obey your name now right. Some of nipa come better because nipa bia no how we things right oba so let ya nipa e nipa but niama no I say ketase hye hypocrisy bi we dey enka ne enti ya ba ha say yetie say niama ko bone we have every right say be kire adwen enti asofu we maka mo no tum 3 years 6 years enti ade bi be koso okroma mo makasa
8 years yes
8 years ade bi be ba mo makasa yes ajansafo no wo hefa I think say amine no bia de yenyina de yeyi my hair ye ni NDC ye ni MPP yenyina we are one people they are yenyina and we have a responsibility to build a decent society that will give hope. Now ebia make us say de ebia benefit but we cannot leave the stage for amamfo to do whatever that they want. Say the generation to come will come and suffer. Say even say I'm benefit kra na etimi hu say yes Ghana people who come and benefit because America those who fought and set the stage for America's greatness, none of them had a chance to enjoy today. Abraham Lincoln, he was fighting for your first this federation and a booming. He was shot or theater we no be bone or be kuno. But so we are making that sacrifice today. Sebaya there will be a good takeoff. Politics and the mindset will change. Normally people freeze more power and kwan. We the people because say the party to intend just say they hold people accountable. They will do the right thing. That is the only way out. And because I can't say anywhere in the world where you see sustained bad governance, nobody is innocent or a victim. We are all accomplices and sponsors. And this time we are not going to be sponsors and accomplices in anybody's crime enterprise. We are going to be citizens. We are the citizens in the Bible. Or the Nimguasi and Echo. And I think the President Akufo Addo Tenasia no yes sober reflection the last 8 years. We are sure that regrets and the bear the spoon at the beard be feeding home because near mano we are power sign there are Kofu child Hosia or more flinty or more kind of credit because as long as they benefit from the system, you are okay. Oh, and everything is cool, and every Nanka President Akufo Addo Timinya could do us or not performance in Chroma. Because some people were feeding him with falsehood and he was okay with it. So Maka said, you don't build government with cronies and friends. You need critical minds, people who critique you, tell you the truth. Mr. President, this is not why we voted for you. Do the right thing. You need that kind of cushion, amount of energy to do the right thing. But because
to say that now okay, Vincent said na not nase nebia ni previous videos be or some call back koshe time ana or call program be minim se na ya kra ha or that or hini be say ye board national or bechiano se say national anthem on sorry no ye ni say na regional minister that time Henry Cote or kahona or munye ye say no mo call wenchi na ye board national anthem no one baba janko one de janko man
yes
no original phone so me I mean like obebu say dey na me ye power na ma me timu ye me da na say na ye de ba de you know nti na na de ono anepe ye se kwanto anepe na homa so no kon na ya na ha dwen se ya to aba no odi ni president na wie no ade sa musuo no ekoka Bawumia. That's the only thing na odwen ho a beka say ha dwen because obi so beka say na Bawumia na ye part of the government or ye part na so kan say no mfa de no be ye on timi ye ho hwe hey o me jani say
what's my man?
Yes, I'm please.
Oh, yes, I'm your can
Just resign.
Me Kojo.
Okay.
Say don't know say at point first year the man.
What you do when that's own pay resign America.
Marry resign. Dear Kojo you say me say marry resign.
It's about me there or
yeah, so that is the culture I am fan.
Bawumia to one no here.
Nti me kwa announce so ba.
And I say obi abeko. I think that is the culture yam fan share you mu. Obinye baby share na onya bibi kakra dia ya ton ya dwen because there be a meka the pastor yati hai obi anya minister but ye didida when people see you there are people who respect you for who you are
sure.
And what is the guarantee that the next year mama ye minister people will not respect me you understand so obi the ministerial position ma and as a appointment be now allow yourself say because of waiting you are forever indebted to that person obey nsebuna I know the day no credibility as for and be your through home because after all what the two are the besi Kufo be 8 years or tifie ne mewa Kufo was a former president was a president
so
Rollins be 19 years or former hwehwe na unhu no so power no say na betimi adi President Mills he was here once President Mahama anyasa ba na wabaya okotera afie no he became an ordinary person. You understand? So Ghana for the best way anymore. Until we to me now. This idea as a watcher at the top, oh baby. Sabi I will be a constant reminder. Say, never did to me, ma'am. Akufo Addo one another popular channel Ghana 2016.
Yeah, 2016.
Ghana social media people were hailing amount for were edge taxes and as for, but all of a sudden, and then as ya brabo. And you are bra papa. Come and yes, say and there as a way na yeka. Go to anywhere the entire scope of government we need that there is no single sector which we can say hey papa we yade we and the economy na bubu pansama there is no Ghana economy and hweka
who can ya free senior high school who can be free senior high school
free SHS no say structural problems I wo enya de ketwa so we lecturers na binum na se for kasa because ya kase be promise ya promise me de beba ya buy na beto twene ho nipa ntena se anwe na ho no policy framework no guidelines nothing maka cho say we ya de free a ya dan ya nipa do beba mu school and terminate at your friend say secondary school level and at tertiary en konu dua so na ye nkoni wonso so you need to build tertiary institutions and the expand there na hefa no mo ko lego no he ayama UCC ayama tech ayama at the university be no mu wi obunkom but say we nim nyansa na wo plan ya you also factor these things into consideration say okay any free and part do beba mu we need to build infrastructure Mahama see e-blocks mabo modern e-blocks ni na say and the year me ya Kumase oh but my idea said this time around some of you came home because unim Mahama mon Kumasi and Twabama, the NDC and Mahama. He built one of the largest medical village. Kumasi. Abrantia the camera call home a minister fair program. Also catch 6 months time by Juma. Afari a practice. It's a medical village. Now when you be a man boy for a brona jumon in the whole team. And that she Kumasi for Twabama. You have nothing to offer them. Obia bo modern ko see this facility see up to me atena say ama ade me say Akufo Addo ho nyame oni ni bedi no o gym o pagya na de memwie ye
what's aka be
me say nyankopon na Akufo Addo bedi no o gym pagya na de onti say onti ehwe onyahu say walusu kra o pagya o gym na owia go to Sagleme ene omonya kokoduro akoton say de ma private sector. A dynasty who pro because I say Collins Dauda dynasty OC Collins Dauda and Togo on China or Ghana. And you free say what this can answer why ya there take him through the process but a dynasty will see. Let people occupy, let put it to use. I see what I say, and you foolishly cause financial loss to the state. Also, all charge you before willfully causing financial loss. But what there you are foolishly causing financial loss to the state. Saglemeno, Akwaku saying. And several other projects are you know say enkranu hia sa nema we and free SHS na ya dey bi people are coming out of I say we make na and people think that we are joking. You see there was a time Abrante because say PhD ne Dutch passport but now people were saying say school for so me say sometimes I na win him their work. The best thing that can happen to Obi is to have a taste of education. When maybe it's not your fault. That's okay, fine, we can move on. But you see, you school say they be juma. We go to school for self-development. Taking care of society, deal with society's problem. Now, so when you're Juma, it can enhance your capacity and your ability to do that. So, when you get school Juma, you make a mistake. What I say, but that is what we have become. Training people, giving them certificates. When indeed a trainer, there is absolutely nothing. We solve society problem because and then some of the innovative platforms in Ebani na for maintenance say Ghana hayeti inventing okroma say because somebody has been educated. But model na educated for old archaic models. You cannot be inventive and answer very creative anywhere. KNUST, a university meant for technology. Captain, you do Kumasi light they go off. They don't have power. But by now you expect them to create certain saying solar way the school people around the environment will have that particular thing. And so we are failing as a country. You understand? We are failing. So there are things that we need to do and make sure that education is not about men are master's degree, men are no. We need to look at the individual capacity in as a forum because sometimes you look at the trend. Near from America, they have a lot of institutions that are training people in comedy. Nigeria, yes, because world now this virtual world I'm making those enterprises some of the richest people in America are comedians. I brand to your bag Ghana, it's all a comedian. Yeah, sure. So when you realize these things, then you build the institutions that will build individuals or more that particular like you train people. I'm on side here and yet that guy is a joker.
Oh Jesus.
He's a joker. There was a platform here. Na amanfo ejina na omo baby o school no school abroad they say wow look at this. He thinks they're going to school abroad no. Just say hi God. And my friend has to so Captain Free SHS no. I think say your friend is a review that kind of structural adjustment. Your friend is a legal framework. Any financial sustainability we betimi manage na aba na dey aba obi antimi because of be here but I am with the conviction say any obi na here free SHS. Any obi there are people who can pay and you pay extra. So you need to identify those people and set up some insurance where somebody can pay and even pay extra. Some of the corporations big multinational corporate MTN and so forth. Obusika there no money. Sometimes they use this money to do some sponsor TV so this money can be channeled into some of these enterprises, taking care of your friend is saying some of these adventures to develop people because you need skilled labor. People are savvy. Because or might be able to point you need skilled labor force. individuals or more knowledge, expertise, and the innovation ba na wetime hu problems what analyze it, then you take it from there. If I want to be a nyasa na ye mami bisa wanyini nti man position wanyini nti yan kanasem wanyini wa eseya or mine be kwakota and here we are today. So those of you who saw us on TV and you thought say we were disrespectful, we were talking harsh and as for them, this is the reality, and you have gone to the polls and you have demonstrated clearly saying you've taken our side because we don't hate anybody, but we have power, fire the right thing, impact on people positively, and invest in human beings so that you can be proud and say Captain Smart I made him. That I don't know should be enough. That men I say rooms one is legal and as for them.
Yo, waiting for winning and somewhere about better. Yep, so make out say so when you subscribe, yeah, but more say over subscribe to channel. Now, feel like the video, give us a thumbs up. Now, feel share my offer so now when you be here now, who and somewhere also, Ghana memoir. Also, bet me otchere wondering a fire somewhere in our comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.